There is a question of paper one. It says explain why research on feral children provides evidence for importance of socialization. So this is an 8-mark question in the 2024 paper of O-level social. So we would be discussing that what you would be writing for. Okay. So first of all, when we talk about evidence, okay, so what we can do, we can say like research on feral children offers significant evidence for the importance of socialization as it highlights the critical role of human interaction in developing humanistic characteristics, or you can say in developing human behavior. Okay, you all know who are feral children, right? Feral children are those who have been like isolated for a longer period of time and who have not had any type of like human interaction in their early prime stages. Okay, so feral children who are isolated for most of the early years often display a lack of language. So they display lack of language skills, social understanding, and emotional control. There was, I think so, a movie as well, George the Jungle, right? That was a very funny movie based on this. Okay, so sociologists argue that socialization is now this. First paragraph dealing with feral children and who are these and how it is important. Second, on socialization, it is crucial for learning cultural norms, values, and etc. And mentioning of Parsons emphasize that socialization helps individuals learn their roles. So helps individuals learn learn their roles in society. The absence of these influences results inability of them to function, inability to function within social context. This wording is important. Okay. Next thing. Okay. Then these also show the impact of primary socialization. They also show the impact of primary socialization, which usually takes place within a family. Without the interaction, children fail to develop attachment. No attachment. And they struggle with emotional regulation. So basically, it is what? It is a nature versus nurture debate. And it like clearly emphasizes that what is the effect of nature and nurture on a child, and this aspect can be explained when we talk about nature. We talk about biological determinism, and you can write your answer effectively. I hope that you would be write your answer correctly in this. This is the end of session.